Good afternoon, dear children. Today we are going to discuss 13.2 exercise question number 4. Say true or false and justify your answer. Now here 10 to 10 multiplied by 10 to the power 11 is equal to 10 to the power 11. See that here students, 10 to the power nothing is there, it means 1 is present. So 11 or 1, it's become 12. So 10 to the power 12, and here 100 upon 100 to the power 11. So according to that way you will just see that 10 to the power 12 and 10 to the power 11, which one is it is true or false. So it is false here. Now see that here 2 to the power 3 is greater than 5 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 3 it means 8, and 5 to the power 2 it means 5 multiplied by 5. So 25. Which one is greater? 5 to the power 2 is greater as compare of 2 to the power 3. According to that way you will solve third and fourth question here. Now question number fourth here. Express each of the following as a product of a prime factor only exponential form, that is 108 multiplied by 192. So 108 multiplied by 192. So 108 we just find out the prime factorization, and 192 we just find out the prime factorization. So 108 prime factorization you will just start 2 divide by 2, it's become 54, then again divide by 2, it's 27, and 27 is divisible by 3, so it's 9, and 3 3 is 9, like that. Now same here 192 divide by 2 is 96, divide by 2 is 48, divide by 2 is 24, then 12, then 6, 3 and 1, like that is. So see that here 108. So 2 how many times? 1 2 1 2 3. So see that here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So it's become this, and 192 is also similar here. So we'll write here 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we'll write here 2 multiplied by 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 2 and multiplied by 3 here. So how many times 2 comes? 8 times, and 3 to the power 4. So we'll write here 2 to the power 8 and multiply by 3 to the power 4. According to that way you will write here. Now next one is 270. Same 270 also prime factorization, you'll remove it. And your answer comes 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So you'll write here 2 multiply this, and 2 multiply 3 how many times? 3 times. 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 5. So 5 to the 10 and 3 to the power 3 here. So what is the answer here? 10 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 here. Now next one is question number 5 here. Simplify. How to simplify? That the last time yesterday I explained you one laws of multiplication simplification here. So I'll see that here power to power we have multiple it here. So 2 to the power 5 and power 2, it means 5 multiplied by 2, and here 7 to the power 3, and here 8 to the power 3 and 7 to 7. So what we will do here, first you will 5 multiplied by 2, it's become 2 to the power 10 and multiply by 7 to the power 3. Now here 8 to the power 3. So 8, so we'll change in this form 8 2 to the power 3 and power 3, the power to power. So 2 to the power 3 and 3 multiply by 7. So it's become 2 to the power 10 multiply by 7 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 9 multiply by 7. So it's become 2 to the power 10 minus 9 multiply by 7 to the power 3 minus 1. It's become 7 to the power 2. 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 2 here. Then here 2 multiplied by 49, it's become 98. So according to that way you will solve. Next question, little similar here but little typical. So we'll just see that here 3 to the power 5 is there, and multiply by 10 to the power 5 and multiply by 25. So first you will change this 25 in the 5 to the power 2, and here 10 is also changed here 2 multiply by 5. And then after that you will solve. So it is easy to 5 to the power 7. Here also the 6, you will just break this fraction you will. So 3 to just 6, so 2 multiply by 3 to the power 5, and then you will put all the powers here, and then after that you will solve. So in the last you will get here 3 to the power 0 and 2 to the power 0 and multiply by 5 to the power 0 here. Then your answer comes 1, because Always keep in your mind, whenever the 0 power is there, any bigger number or smaller number, whatever is the answer, always comes in 1, because 3 to the power 0, 1, 2 to the power 0 is 1, and 5 to the power 0 is 1. Multiply by 1, multiply by 1, answer always comes 1 here. So according to that way, you will solve question number 4 and question number 5. So you'll complete your exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.